Now they're working in the front, and they're working in the back. Putting a new roof on the house there, in the cottage. And the noise. I mean, this is just the beginning of the noise. Here they are, on top of the roof, in back of us. And here's Scott's garden, ready to plant. And that's the way it is. Quiet on this end. Nice, huh? I have to close my windows. Now you know why. And I hear Tipsu barking her head off. Listen to that. Isn't that awful? I wish I lived in the woods somewhere. Hear that. Listen to that. Oh, it's going to be an awful summer, awful noisy summer over here. I'm going to have to close all the windows and put on the air conditioner.